Hello everyone, welcome back to Massa Military. August 4th was Ukrainian Air Force Day. Ukrainian President Zelensky attended the day's celebration at an airbase near Kyiv and officially announced the arrival of a batch of F-16 fighter jets. Several F-16s were displayed on site and 2 F-16s roared through the sky. Due to the small number of the first batch of jets, the Ukrainian Air Force is unlikely to deploy these near the front lines. At this stage, the core operations of the F-16s are estimated to include intercepting Russian missiles and drones, suppressing Russian air defense systems, and launching missiles to strike Russian positions and ammunition depots. So what is the technical and weaponry status of these second-hand F-16 fighter jets? The Economist published an article stating that the Ukrainian Air Force has received 10 F-16 fighter jets, more than the previously reported 6. By the end of this year, the Ukrainian Air Force is expected to receive another 10 jets. Since Russia's full-scale invasion of Ukraine in February 2022, Zelensky has been requesting F-16 fighter jets from the United States and NATO allies. A year ago, the Biden administration finally agreed to allow European allies to support Ukraine with F-16s. According to public reports, Western countries have committed to providing Ukraine with 85 F-16 fighter jets, including 24 from the Netherlands, 19 from Denmark, 12 from Norway, and 30 from Belgium. Norway will also provide 10 more as backups and to provide parts. This will enable the Ukrainian Air Force to form 3 to 4 squadrons. The primary limitation for the Ukrainian Air Force in acquiring more F-16s is they need more pilots and ground crew. Generally, each aircraft requires at least 2 pilots to ensure adequate training and combat time. Another major delaying factor is the construction of infrastructure to accommodate the F-16s, which takes time. Ukraine's first batch of F-16 fighter jets are the F-16 AIM-9M Block 15 models, possibly from Denmark. They've undergone significant upgrades, the OCU and MLU, and are equipped with AIM-120B and AIM-9M air-to-air missiles. During the Air Force Day on August 4th, a Ukrainian F-16 pilot was seen wearing the Joint Helmet-Mounted Cueing System, JHMCS, a helmet-mounted sight widely used by Western air forces to replace traditional heads-up displays. This helmet displays critical data wherever the pilot looks, aiding in target acquisition and significantly benefiting aerial combat. Another notable feature is the aircraft's self-defense system. The mid-wing pylons of the Ukrainian F-16 is equipped with the Pylon Integrated Dispenser System, PIDS, and the Electronic Combat Integrated Pylon System, ECIPS. These systems, produced in collaboration with Israel's Elbit Systems and Denmark's Terma, detect missile threats from any direction. European F-16s installed these electronic warfare systems a few years ago, effectively enhancing the jet's survivability. The radar systems that are equipped on Ukraine's F-16 need to be determined. They may still use the AN/APG-66V2 from Block 15, which extends the detection range to 51.57 miles in cluttered and jamming environments. The F-16s received by the Ukrainian Air Force can carry US-made standoff attack munitions. Ukraine has received several, including AGM-88 HARM anti-radiation missiles, JDAM-ER guided bombs, GBU-39B small-diameter bombs, and ADM-160 Miniature Air-Launched Decoys. These are standard F-16 weapons with no integration issues. Integration with European weapons, such as the French Hammer bombs and the Franco-British Storm Shadow cruise missiles, is also straightforward. Ukraine's F-16s may also use AIM-7 Sparrow missiles, US-made ground attack munitions, in addition to GPS-guided bombs. It may also include laser-guided Paveway series bombs, and for ground attack missiles, AGM-65 Maverick and the AGM-84H Standoff Land Attack Missile Expanded Response, known as SLAMR. The AIM-120 AMRAAM has already been used in Ukraine through the NASAMS air defense system, likely using early AIM-120AB models with a range of 74.56 miles. The biggest question for the future is whether they will receive the more capable AIM-120C models. The AIM-9 Sidewinder is the standard within visual range air combat weapons for the F-16, with a maximum range of 11.18 miles. and it is also used in the NASAMS air defense system. The NASAMS can use both AIM-120 and AIM-9. The US and Canada are currently providing AIM-9M Sidewinder missiles to Ukraine. These are older stock models, but still effective against low-altitude, slow-moving threats like drones and cruise missiles. The AIM-7 Sparrow, though not the most advanced in air-to-air combat, remains a powerful weapon and is still in service with several air forces, including Israel's. Different Sparrow missile models have ranged between 18.64 and 31.07 miles. With stocks of Soviet-made air defense missiles depleted, Ukraine has received some AIM-7 Sparrows and RIM-7 Sea Sparrow missiles from the US to equip the SA-11 Buk air defense systems. The US Air Force lacks mid-range air-launched cruise missiles like the Storm Shadow and Taurus KEPD-350. But the US Navy's Slammer is similar, with a range of around 186.41 miles. Although the Slammer comes from the US Navy's stock, it has already been integrated into the F-16s of Turkey and the UAE. Taiwan has also ordered Slammers for their F-16s, so unsurprisingly, Ukrainian F-16s might use it. The Slammer weighs 1,487 pounds, has a warhead of 800 pounds, flies at a speed of Mach 0.7 to 0.8, and uses inertial guidance with GPS correction, finally using an infrared imaging seeker to search and target. The missile can transmit target video to the operator through a data link, confirming the target image and issuing the attack command. Of course, the Slammer can also automatically fly to the target using GPS coordinates. With the number of F-16s delivered to Ukraine in the foreseeable future being relatively small, it might not significantly impact the battlefield. Rather, the direct value of these F-16s lies in boosting the morale of Ukrainian soldiers and civilians, though they are expected to gradually make an impact in the future. Alright, that's it for this episode. Remember to like, subscribe, and share the video if you've enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next episode.